The two great things about the OMRON RS7 Intelli IT. The first thing with this device is that it's very portable. It comes in a small box, which if you do a lot of traveling, you can just put it inside the box and sling it into your carry-on case, or you can just put it in your hand luggage. So it's very portable. Sometimes when I'm traveling and I'm going away on holidays, I tend to take my main blood pressure monitor with me. Now that I've got the RS7, I think it's more suitable for traveling, which is great. The second thing is, if you have large biceps, you will find out that most of the cuffed blood pressure monitors that you can buy on the market wouldn't wrap around your arm conveniently, and even if they do, they tend not to give accurate readings. So this is a blood pressure monitor that you can take your reading from the wrist. And the question you might ask is, how accurate is it? Well, I compared it to the OMRON X4 and to the Braun Exact Fit 5, two other blood pressure monitors that I do have at home. And I was amazed that the RS7 Intelli IT is not far off from the readings on the other two blood pressure monitors. You can see the readings here. In fact, I would say they're all within the same range. So that's great to know when it comes to how reliable the readings are. This blood pressure monitor is very easy to set up. If you've set up a blood pressure monitor before you started using it, it follows the same way, where you enter the current date and time, and if you have an app with that particular blood pressure monitor, it will sync the time on the app with the time on the blood pressure monitor, so you really don't need to worry about being precise about the time, and that's a plus point. From taking it out of the box to being able to use it took the best part of 5 to 7 minutes, if not shorter, but it wasn't difficult at all. I was able to set up the blood pressure monitor without having to read the manual, and I suppose that would apply to most of us who have used a blood pressure monitor before. Blood pressure monitor is quite easy to use, and when you're taking a reading, it requires you to lift your arm at a certain angle, and then once you've reached the accurate angle, the heart icon would flash blue and it will begin to take the readings. After that, you can then sync your readings with the OMRON Connect app. The recommended retail price for this blood pressure monitor is £88, but sometimes you can get it at a better discount on online stores like Amazon. So I picked mine up for about £58, which is about 62 US dollars. So this is a great blood pressure monitor. It's easy to travel with. It's very good for people with huge biceps, and it's also very useful for people who are slightly on the larger size. So in conclusion, this is, to me, one of the best OMRON devices that you can buy today. It's great value for money, it reads accurately, and it's an easy travel companion. And it's also very suitable for people who have huge biceps and who are slightly on the larger size. I will give this particular device a 5-star and would consider it to be highly recommended. If you have any questions regarding this blood pressure monitor, just reach out to me, ask any questions. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, please smash on the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.